In this session, I want to take a look at working with the tone curve tool in Coreldraw so that you can be familiar with that and how it works and how to use it on your different color slices or color divisions working with Color Slice from Advancecd.com. Go to Effects, Adjust, and Tone Curve, and I'll bring that up. And I have this grayscale gradient selected. Now you'll notice that if I come here to the center point, left click, hold down, pull, I'll start making that darker. And I'll bring that back. Actually hit delete to delete that point. Now we have an x-axis and a y-axis. They go from pure black to white. So if I come here with the pure black down here at the bottom, left click, hold up, pull that up, I'll change my image white. If I go over here and pull this down, going on my y-axis, I'll change it to pure black. If I put what I call a node or a point here in the center, I'm going to keep all of the value that's going from 50% down, and I'm only going to affect what's going from 50% up. So if I left click and pull this up here, you'll see that I lighten that up or remove that color. If I bring it down here into the darkness, I'll make it darker or grayer or change it to a black. So we have really good control over working with and adjusting our color based on our color divisions with our color slices, working with a tone curve, and I prefer to work in straight mode. There's also a curve mode, but I prefer the straight mode. Go ahead and select cancel, and the same thing will apply with my color. Here I have a red gradient. Effects, adjust, tone curve. Now remember, you have your x-axis and your y-axis. If I come here and pull this down, I'll change the whole image to black. If I come here and pull this up, I'll change the whole image to white. But if I come here and let's say drop a node here in the center and then come in and pull down here, I'll start affecting the red in the upper region of the color, but not affecting the red down here in the lower 50% of the gradient. And if I pull this down this way here, I'll make that red much redder. So we want to be aware of being able to work with the tone curve tool and how it works. If I come up here and leave this node here and then select this one and delete it and select that one and delete it and then come down here and pull this all the way down, you can see what happens. I have a dramatic effect on that red. But if I come here and pull it this way, I'll start darkening the red up and affecting only that region of the color. So you can go into very detailed, dialed in color adjustments and corrections working with your slices and the tone curve tool, understanding how these nodes work, the straight mode, your x-axis and your y-axis. And it's very to work with, and it's very easy to work with and understand. We'll go ahead and wrap here, and we'll continue in our next session.